Content is the king. That is what they all say. But what content marketing is all about? Well, according to the study, 47% of buyers view 3 to 5 times pieces of content before engaging with any sales representative. And maybe that's the reason why 82% of marketers reported actively using content marketing in 2022. So, as the number suggests, content marketing has become one of the favorite marketing strategies of many companies. How to be a great digital marketer? Hi guys, my name is Ishan, and in this video I am going to tell you everything you need to know about content marketing. From its very concept on how to use it for your business, and also I am going to share with you which channel and the form of content I use for my success and my personal protest on it. Okay, so stay tuned till the end. So you see, everyone in the marketing world is talking about content marketing, but very few actually understand it, right? So if we know nothing about it, that's okay, that's pretty fine. After all, we all start as a beginner, right? So simply put, content marketing is a strategic marketing approach. Focus on creating and distributing valuable and relevant content to attract and to retain a customer or to retain a targeted audience. Okay, so now let's dive a bit deeper into content market, or you can say let's learn more about the concept of content marketing. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any more videos like this. Okay, so the first of all, let's discuss the concept of content marketing. And for you to better understand the concept, I want you to put yourself in the shoes of your customers. Okay, that's how you will understand better. So as a customer, will you buy something just right away, especially if you have to buy online? Before actually purchasing anything, maybe you want to know a little bit more about the product or service. Is it even worth your money or not? Am I right? Or maybe you wanna look for some other options available in the market as well. So now tell me, where do you go to do all this research? Like, from where do you get this much needed information before making any purchase online? Well, I know the exact answer, because we all do the same way, and we go straight to the internet and search for whatever we are looking for, whether we are planning to buy a new laptop or want a new type of food for our pet, or even before planning something like buying an online course. We search the whole internet, okay, where you can find hundreds of solutions to your problem. Like, you can read an article, or you can check out a review videos, right? There's a lot of ways. Or maybe like after doing some research, you will find out that that product doesn't actually have good reviews, and in your search you might find a similar product which is more affordable and has better reviews. Okay, so you change your initial decision and you end up buying that alternative you found. So I hope you are clear with my point of view. So in a whole journey, the factor that bridge your problem to finding a solution and also influence your buying is none other than content. Okay, so the content you found on the internet. So you see, this is why content marketing has gained so much popularity among marketers. Okay, because the modern market is more consumer oriented, and that is why all the marketers want to feed their audience with a valuable content in order to turn them into a long-term paying customers. So now, after knowing the concept and how important the content marketing is, you may want to know how to actually do it, or how to use it for your business, for your online marketing, for promoting your brand, for promoting your services. Well, content marketing has two main aspects. Okay, the first is creating your content, okay, and the other one is promoting and distributing your content. So let's talk about creating your content. You can only stay up in this game if you actually create good content, and creating good content majorly depends on the form of content that you choose to create. And my suggestion is you should choose a type of content according to your niche. For example, like if you are in a make money online niche, then video content or maybe articles could work best for you, because in such a niche people are looking for more detailed knowledge or tutorials. So I create detailed and valuable content for my audience, providing them with online solutions just like this video so you are already watching right now. So choosing the type of content is a very important part of creating good content. So let me tell you some of the types of popular content that you can choose for your business. And the number one is blogs or articles. This is the oldest yet the most effective form of content. You can create blogs, article if you have good writing skills, and it is quite popular in affiliate marketing business. Like people actually do reviews about other program, about their own offer, about their own program. Okay. And number two is the most polarizing form of content, that is video content. Video marketing is growing so aggressively. Stats shows more than 70% of marketers claim that video produces more conversions than any other content. So I think regardless of your niche, you should definitely give video marketing a chance. You will not regret for sure. Okay, the number three is online courses, and this is a very popular form of content as it does not take much cost to create. Plus, you can create online courses as your end product itself by charging a fee for them. Okay, the next is infographics. Infographics are quite popular these days and are a perfect fit for your social media promotions. Like people like infographics because it provides valuable information in a small, less time consuming bit-sized pieces. Okay, so another form of content marketing is ebook. They are really popular, though ebook has a very limited audience. They are still effective in some fields. Like if you are in an online education business, then it will actually work for you. Or you can even host a webinar or podcast once you have created a place for your business in your market. Okay, because with the webinars, when you actually give information upfront, people will see that how much value you are putting on your webinar, and then in the end of the webinar you can actually pitch your services, pitch your product. Okay, but for a beginner, I will suggest you to start with articles or blogs to create awareness about your product. And you can try different types of content to see what works best for you, but start by focusing only one form of content. Okay. Now moving on, when you actually have gone through the content creation part, it is important to make a content visible to your audience, and that is where the second aspect of content marketing comes. And the second aspect is promoting and distributing content. Okay, now I am dividing this up into two parts so that you can have a better understanding. The first part of the is a promotion, and the second part is a distribution of the content. Okay, now let's discuss the first part, and that is promotion, which includes promoting your content across different channels to create awareness of your product or services and attract prospective buyers. And there are a number of different channels of promotions available for you. I suggest you can actually choose one channel in the starting and understand this trend and algorithm, and then formulate your content accordingly. And I'm going to tell you here some of the leading channels of promotion you can use. And the very first is search engines. As I said, it is in the early example that most consumers always firstly go to search engines to search for their solutions of their problems. Therefore, the first channel where you should definitely put your content to be visible, it should be a search engine. And do you know that Google is the most used search engine in the world with nearly 4 billion active users? So now in the search engines, you can put your content in front of your audience in two ways. You can either rank your content by organic search using the right keyword, using the power of SEO. Okay, and you can also use paid ads like Google ads. Okay, so all right, so now another channel that you can actually use is social media platforms. Okay, and there's a lot of platforms. So you will be surprised to know that 54% of social browsers use social media to research about the products, to see their reviews. Like some of the popular social media platforms that you can use to promote your business are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. It totally depends upon your niche, but these are the top 4 popular platforms where people actually go and make decisions before purchasing anything new. Just like social media, like we also have social forums are another channel which you can use to promote your products. Like Quora, Medium are the great promotion channels, especially for reviewing physical products. Okay. Now let's move to our second part, that is distribution of the content. Okay. Though you may have heard many people using promotion and distribution of content as one term, but if you look closely, there is a difference. There is a slight difference, and the difference is promoting your product only means creating awareness of your product, whereas distributing your content is a step ahead of promotion, and in my view it is more personal and targeted approach. So when you have when you actually have created an image of your product for your audience, your distributions comes into play. Personally, I use email marketing as my primary content distribution channel because it does not just promote my product to my audience but also helps me to build long-term relationship with my customers. So I suggest, in order to sustain your business, you should use email marketing too. Even when you are using any other channel as your primary channel, use it as a backup, as having an email list of your customer is always beneficial. Trust me, and you will thank me later. And you can check my previous videos to know more about how to build your own email list. Link will be in the description box. And lastly, I will add another way that you can actually use to distribute your content is build your own community. Like I have built mine on Facebook. I have my own Facebook group. Okay, you can also join that group as well. So now with this we have come to the end of this video, but before, here is a pro tip for you. And if you are overwhelmed by only listening about creating so much of content and not sure if you can do it on your own, ask for help. Hire a professional to help you with your content marketing. And if you also want to keep your costs down, the best you can is outsource your content marketing. With that, like, you can simply hire a virtual assistant who can actually create content for you, and then you can actually work on promotion and distribution of your content. Okay. So if you have any questions or suggestions, that let me know in the comment section. And at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Okay, link is already mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now, and I'm really looking forward to engaging with you in this group. Okay, I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to see you in another video. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.